subscribers on the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen making something fantastic. But today's going to be a little bit different because we're diving into island flavors. Today, we're going to be making coconut dumplings, which is why I'm holding a coconut, and it's the official dumpling of St. Kitts. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. And go ahead and comment below and let me know if you've ever had a coconut dumpling. On the counter today, we have a pretty simple list of ingredients here. We're going to start with 2 cups of AP flour, 1 cup of dry grated coconut. This is not sweetened, but if yours is sweetened, you can skip the 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar, 1/2 cup of water. We may need just a touch more or just a touch less. We're going to see. Here we have 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And over here we simply have 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take the sugar, the salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg, the grated coconut, and mix those into the flour. Next, we're going to incorporate the butter. Once the butter is completely worked in, we're going to slowly start adding in the water. Now that the dough has formed one big mass here, everything's kind of starting to clean up, we're just going to knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes. And to do that, we're going to push away, fold it back, and then turn. So push, fold, turn. You can do this on the countertop if you'd like, but doing it in the bowl gets rid of all the mess. Now that the dough's starting to look pretty smooth in there, obviously you can see the flakes of coconut around and things like that. But now that the dough's actually came together quite well, we're just going to cover it in plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator. Alright, so we're back. It's been 30 minutes, and now the dough is ready to go. So what we're going to do here to get started is we're going to cut this into 8 close to equal pieces. And now, we're just going to kind of form these into a thicker disc, if you will. I'm thinking about 3/4 of an inch thick, and however big around that makes it for us. There we have it. We have our 8 dumplings. All right, we have the pot of salted water on here, and we're just gonna bring this up to a boil, and then we'll be ready to cook off the dumplings. All right, so now that the water is boiling quite well, we're just gonna take the dumplings and simply drop them into the water. And we're gonna let these stay in here for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check on them. And as we can see here, we have a nice moist dumpling all the way through, and it's just nice and soft but kind of dense, so it's going to be great with a sauce that'll soak it up a little bit. So TV Magic has allowed us to make a little bit of jerk chicken here with diced pumpkin and a nice jerk sauce to go with our coconut dumplings to liven it up a little bit. So we're gonna let that soak in a little bit, and then we're gonna have dinner. Alright friends, so that wraps us up on how to make coconut dumplings. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you liked the video, and comment below and let me know how yours turn out. Have a great day.